In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Trip.com. We'll walk through exactly where to go and what to look for so you can complete your check-in smoothly. Start by opening the Trip.com Philippines website. If you see a different region, that's fine. The layout is very similar. Just make sure the language and currency at the top match what you prefer. On the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the My Bookings option. On some devices, it may be under your profile icon, but it's still in the upper right area. Click My Bookings. If you're not already signed in, the site may prompt you to log into the account you used when you made the reservation. If you booked as a guest, you can usually retrieve your trip using your booking reference and the traveler's last name. Once you're in, you'll land on your bookings list. From here, open the specific booking you want to check in for. If you have several trips, look for the flight that's coming up next. You may see flights, hotels, or other items together. Choose the flight order to continue. This page will show your itinerary and all the important details. Now scroll down within the booking details until you see the check-in option. When online check-in is available, this button or link will be clearly visible. If you don't see it yet, you may be a little early. Many airlines open online check-in about 24 to 48 hours before departure, though some may open earlier or later, depending on the route and carrier. It's a good idea to return to this page once the window opens. When the check-in button is available, click it. Depending on the airline, Trip.com may guide you through the process on their site or redirect you to the airline's official check-in page. Have your travel documents ready, such as your passport details for international flights, and review any visa or entry requirements. This is also a good time to confirm your contact information, select seats if offered, and review baggage rules so there are no surprises at the airport. For this tutorial, the example account doesn't have any active, paid bookings. All shown entries are canceled, so the check-in option isn't available here. In your own account, as long as your flight is confirmed and within the check-in window, you should see the button and be able to proceed. And that's the process. Open Trip.com, go to My Bookings, select your flight, scroll to find check-in, and follow the prompts. If the option isn't there, check your timing or the flight status, then try again closer to departure.